case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a pivotal 1999 verdict, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit ruled on a case revolving around the legitimacy of a worker's dismissal, Marcy v. Delta Airlines. The case reaffirmed an important principle. An employer cannot use a legally invalid or mistaken excuse to dismiss an employee. The dispute was born when long-standing and much-valued Delta Airlines employee, Suzanne Marcy, was dismissed for erroneously submitting payroll documentation, which, if not caught, would have led to her receiving an inflated paycheck. Delta claimed these errors were intentional and were grounds for dismissal. Marcy claimed they were unintentional mistakes. She sued her former employer under the Montana Wrongful Discharge from Employment Act, WDEA, stating that her termination was unjust, an argument the district court accepted, prompting an award of $66,000 in damages to Marcy. Unconvinced, Delta sought an appeal. Over the course of the appeal, Delta argued that to uphold her charge, Marcy needed to prove that the airline had let her go under a pretext, a disguise for an illegal ulterior motive. However, the appeals court dismissed this argument, aligning with the district court in favor of Marcy. The court clarified that under the WDEA, if an employee can demonstrate that their employer's stated reasons for dismissal were erroneous, illegitimate, or a smokescreen for other motives, the dismissal cannot stand. The inability of Delta to sufficiently argue that Marcy's errors were not simple mistakes played in favor of Marcy. Following the ruling, Marcy's victory was secured and Delta's appeal was dismissed. The conclusion marked another milestone in labor law, underscoring the necessity for legitimate reasons in employee dismissal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class